Coast Venue Representative, the Group Marketing and PR and Media Lead for the VS Hotel Group. Let us give a round of applause to none other than Mr. Geoffrey Salas. A big round of applause to this amazing and hardworking gentleman.
Mabuhay, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ngayon po ay Agosto, tayo ay nagbibigay pugay lalo na sa ating sariling wika. At kahapon lamang po ay tayo ay nag-celebrate din ho ng selebrasyon ng kapistahan ni ating Manuel L. Quezon, ating dating Pangulo. Sa katunayan nga po, bilang pagbibigay pugay sa ating mga bayani, ang VS Hotel Corporation po ay nagbigay ng libre na movie experience together with the TBA, yung tinatawag na Quezon yesterday. And we are opening it again due to public assistance demand. Mamayang alas 7 ng hapon o ng gabi, kayo po ay iniimbitahan din po manood ng libre ng pelikulang TBA ng Quezon. Okay? At ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat po ng mga bumubuo at kumakatawan ng H1 Fix. I would like also to first primarily greet and acknowledge the presence of our former Secretary of Department of Tourism, of course, Ma'am Wanda Teo Tulfo. Bigyan po natin sila ng masibagong palakpakan. And of course, our General Manager and CEO of our PRA, Mr. Roberto Bob Zozobrado. Hayaan din po niyo ako na panglakan at ating bigyan ng respeto ang mga kumakatawan sa PhilTOA, Mr. Harold Atondo. Ang mula sa Organics PH, Amy Diaz. Sumula sa WITA, si Miss Camille Madrinal. Sa bumubuo po ng PATA, Ms. Jingy Alivio. Itatawa, Abigail Tabano. PhilTOA, Arjun Shroff. Cavite Association, at lahat pa po na kung saan tayo po ay nandito sa loob ng cinema. On behalf of our group General Manager, Dr. Mario A. Isik, and the entire VS Hotel Corporation family, it is our pleasure to welcome you to the H1 Fix and Hilom X preview. We are honored to host respected representatives from the government, tourism and wellness industries, corporate organizations, the media, and our valued partners. Today's theme, Go Explore, Grow Communities, Glow Together, strongly reflects our own vision. We believe that health and wellness should not be limited to a single service or facility. It should be an integrated experience that supports how people stay, work, and move, recover, connect, and enjoy life. This philosophy is represented across the business units of VS Hotel Corporation. VS Hotel Convention Center provides the accommodation, function rooms, hospitality services for business, leisure, social celebrations. Victoria Sports Club brings together fitness, indoor sports, recreations, and later you'll be meeting our members from the PBA Titans and other celebrities who promotes health and wellness. And in line to this, that's why we are also inviting everybody to join us in October 18 for the Victory Run happening in Intramuros. So we have celebrities and content creators joining us, at least 50 of them. Victoria Skin supports beauty, confident self-care, personal wellness, aesthetic massage services. Our VS2Go provides accessible food refreshments and catering solutions for individuals, corporate groups, together with the Las Casas Huico. It's our Quezon City branch from the Las Casas de Acuzar, Filipinas in Bataan. and many more that is part of the VS Hotel Corporation. Together, these businesses units allow us to offer more than individual products or services. We provide a connected health, wellness, sports, hospitality, dining, entertainment, and events ecosystem under one destination. VS Hotel Corporation is the largest integrated indoor facility in Metro Manila. And for this, through the partnership of H1FEX, we hope to build meaningful connections, develop sustainable business opportunities, support wellness tourism, and create programs that benefit companies, communities, families, and individuals. As a matter of fact, we are also inviting you every Thursday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. We close the Samar Drive because we have our community run together with the Barangay, South Triangle, City of Quezon City, G Channel, the athletes and celebrities, and of course, the VS Hotel Corporation. We invite everyone to explore our facilities. If you have time later on, it's free to join, watch the cinema as well, join our fitness activities. Once again, welcome to VS Hotel Corporation. On behalf of our magnanimous Group General Manager, Dr. Mario A. Isik, this is Jov Soles, the Group Marketing Head, welcoming each one of you. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang turismo.